How to remove phone number on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then go down to the profile option that is located down below. As you go down to the profile option, you have to go on these three lines that are located up above. As you click on them, then open settings menu from the pop-up menu. As you click on that, after going on settings menu, go to accounts menu. After going to accounts menu, select or tap on personal information. As you tap on personal information, now on the second number you will be able to see your phone number. Now click on more option. As you click on more option, now you can delete your account mobile number from here and then save it. This is how you can delete or remove your mobile number on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.